Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to enable link previews on WhatsApp. Enabling link previews makes it easier to see a preview of the content before clicking on the link, enhancing your messaging experience. So let's get started on how to enable link previews on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the privacy settings. Scroll down and tap on the advanced option. Here you can find the disable link previews option. Simply tap on the toggle switch right beside the disable link previews option and turn it off. And this is how you can enable link previews on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.